began our leg in Ensenada and did our first big sea passage 2 nights to Isla San Benito, where we did diving and saw elephant seals, and then went over to Natividad Island, where we met the fishing cooperative and did some surfing, and finally ended at Turtle Bay in the Vizcaíno Peninsula. Our friend and Aldebaran's resident carpenter, Matt, came on board for 10 days from San Diego down to Bahia Tortuga, joining the permanent crew. Leaving Ensenada!
Wind is blasting. It's the coldest water yet.
So we did our first overnight passage, 200 nautical miles. It was 2 nights, a lot of delirium.
4:30 a.m. Yep, just finishing our night shift. We've been eating brownies all night.
Mildly delirious.
We're a little off course.
Slightly off course. But hey, we didn't hit anything. We're still safe and sound.
We got out to these remote islands, San Benito.
So we came from that way about 200 miles to the island of San Benito. So here we are hiking around. We just came from the village over on the other side of this hill. And just thinking gorgeous.
Elephant seals, great diving, lobster. Coconut run for scuba diving. And we had a great hike through the village, the lighthouse that we saw, super vintage lens.
Want to come blow bubbles with us? We got a NUVAIR compressor on board.
Se llama Kind Bar.
Que no de diabetes.
No diabetes. Headed overnight to Natividad, which was really burly. Lots of wind. Managed to sneak into the southeast corner of the island, even though all the books are telling us, you know, don't go there. And we got great waves. Such a treat. Looks good. I'd say success for our newbies would just be to make it to shore and back intact. That would be a good day. No, they're wrong. Met some researchers while at the beach, actually.
SCUBA. So that's the NGO that or the social organization that has been working with the community in this 75 years of story fishing in this island. It's a very amazing international example of management.
And they told us about their efforts with climate change, helping the island, and really enjoyed that. The village treated us to some lobster dinner that night. What are you guys doing right now, man?
We're doing stupid things. We're going to paddleboard to shore just to go check out this island in, I don't know, 20 knots of wind, and we're gonna see what happens. 20 knots for 20 minutes.
It was a spectacular visit to Natividad, and ended with heading out to Bahia Tortuga, where we would reprovision.